Napaka-importante yung event nito, yung launching nitong PNP Maritime Group, Dragon Boat Team, saka yung Daloy 3456, no? Yung daming benefits itong Dragon Boat. Eco-friendly, you're not burning fuel, and for physical fitness. Doon naman sa Daloy 3456, napakaganda po itong avenue para maparating ng taong bayan yung kailang mga concerns about crimes happening along the coastal areas doon sa ating Philippine National Police Maritime Group.
Hopefully we see our team continuously compete with other local teams and soon to compete internationally.
Kung gusto mong magstay talaga sa sport na to, you have to love it. You have to talaga be dedicated to it. So mahirap kasi mag-training ng madaling araw. So you really have to have that commitment to paddle.
We hope that this initiative will inspire other local governments to support it as a project for their coastal communities.